happened? Who got shot? Oh.
I found your legs still though today.
He's well camoed.
All we have to do is look out for his mum's slippers.
Oh, his mum's slippers.
I'm fucking stupid.
Mine's on safety mush, mine always has.
What's safety? Sound damage.
Is it? There's a boy one in a man down.
Checking 1, 2, 3.
I need to turn mine up.
Yeah, someone talk to me. Yep. You need to push it.
I don't know where the button is.
Where is it? Where is? Oh,
Yeah, that's good. Mine's loud.
someone talk. Where is it? Oh, there we go.
Yes. Hello. Minter. Huh?
Don't start that shit again. Jabbering.
Right.
I didn't catch it. So we got stuff in the white building and 2 bridges.
Yeah, they got the 2 bombs,
Yeah.
which they've got to get from the bridges to the top of the white building.
You got your torch on?
No. Yeah. Right, so Lewis, basically, they have 2 bombs, one on each bridge, over there and over there, and they've got to get it to the top of this white building.
Oh, oi, where are we hiding?
I don't know. I don't know where the fucking spawn thing is.
Actually, yeah, he didn't say, did he?
Everyone's fucking camping.
Kai's got the idea, go for straight in there. Oh, that's mad. That'd be mint. I don't like how you come straight here.
Yeah.
Jump straight in there.
Oh yeah. I'm going in the dark place.
Who did?
Sorry,
Sorry, mate.
Ninja Pyramid!
Ah, swallow my finger! Who was that?
Where did that come from?
Will, did you get it?
Was that you?
I mean, yeah.
because I was aiming for the box.
Let me see. What did you get? Oh, shit!
Well, it's getting a bit angry.
We're just gonna aim it like, yeah, fuck it.
People are getting a bit fucking angry in here. Well, you must shoes up a little bit, please.
Whoever shot that one fucking split went all over my face.
Savage.
It's like in the cheek, chin, and the lip. Build up in that ridge. Top of this building and that ridge.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, you must shoes up a little bit. Oi. All Kai needs to come out as full auto, straight in the corner.
That's what me and Kai done last time.
Oh my god, there's Kai. No shooting me, Kai.
Bye.
Right, motherfuckers.
Is there anyone upstairs?
Where's Kai?
If they're all defending that one, why don't we defend this one?
Well, we'll defend this one then.
Oh my god! I'm getting pushed! Attack it! No one's upstairs.
Are they not?
Not one person. So as soon as I clear this box, or this right up, done. So we go upstairs.
Bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, it's stairs there.
You know we're gonna get absolutely flat.
My lip is fucking killing.
Your lip? Why?
Ah, you got me in a dick.
I think he was aiming for me.
You shot me in the dick. Is anybody even over there?
No, I've got a fat lip.
You actually? Yeah, you have. I'll call you Lewis now. Oh, you Lewis 2.0?
Lewis 2.0?
Yeah, Dave.
Oh, right.
Who was that then?
What?
That was you?
That wasn't me, Lewis. I stood here.
I saw you run
It was him.
I thought you ran off.
I was here. I've been stood up with him.
What me up?
We come round here because we was going to go upstairs and some dude went upstairs. So I was like, oh, fuck it. And then he come running round the corner.
Me? Who shot me in the dick?
Kai. You say ricocheted?
Fucking shit we got here.
Yeah.
God.
Hey, Dave, apparently they're coming this way.
Alright.
Apparently. Lewis just spotted one.
Come round to the left.
Where?
Whoa!
I ain't shooting you, bro.
Oi, Harambe.
To the left, to the left. Now everybody go to the left, to the left.
She only sang that because black people have no rights.
Brutal.
That's ruthless.
That was ruthless, yeah. Bit ruthless.
Well, we've got loads coming this way. Alright up there, Dave.
Hi.
Ah, my hop up shit. My hop up's going up.
Brendan, watch left.
Yeah, they're coming that way as well. You can fucking
You know you're using the second light in here, right?
using your second life. What are you on about?
Yeah, you get two lights.
What,
Second
you-
light's in here.
Oh really? Wait, bun
Four
that
people
then.
have just walked past.
Wait, bun that then. We're off. I don't know what over there's like. Fucking sun's in the way, isn't it? No, go for it. You should be able to. he chatting about? Oh, Lewis, you're not in the green hut with me. I'm with Dave. Oh, yeah, red. At the bridge. He literally dived. Huh? It's up to you. Yeah, and that metal. I would say go for those barricade bits. Could do. Fuck it, might as well go. What? Right. There's one on the bridge with the bob. I think they've done about 3. Dave, you moving up? Yeah. Is there one on the bridge still? On the bridge nearly? Yeah. Yeah, we're where where the green towel thing is on the bridge. We're there. Right behind the green. Behind that green barrier bit. like Dave. I need to reload. I'll let you go first because you've already got swap mags. And then what I'll do is I'll run behind that. Yeah. Right, Dave, keep it. Keep the cover going because I'm reloading. I have no idea. I'll have a look in a minute. Wait, that's where I was going to go. He's got the right idea. In the fort and that. What do you mean they've got to put the bomb on? They're going to put the bomb at the top of the thing, aren't they?
That one, and then the top.
Oh, that's Marshall. My bad. What, on the bridge? Can you see the one behind the green thing popping his head up? Lewis, mate, that sounds empty. Have a shot. Have a shot quick, just shoot it. Oh, you can hear it, that's right. That's because it sounded empty back there. Why does the marshal keep appearing?
Is that what you're aiming at?
Yeah.
Can't
Every time I go to fire someone, the bloody marshal pops up and I'm like, wow.
And you cannot see anything.
Your best bet's probably to go behind one of these, because the sun's in my eyes as well, and I can't see fuck all. There you go. Lewis, do you know that green thing in front of us?
Yeah.
It's behind that.
See?
Yeah.
Down the left, there's two.
There's one literally in front of us where that green thing is.
Ah, fucking brilliant. How close? Are they?
Like,
Woohoo! I'm up again.
that's why I ain't moving yet.
See? I don't want to run just in case.
I sort of want to, but I don't. Because the BBs are coming for us.
I know.
So I want to move, but I don't.
Hey!
Thought so.
Right? I don't feel anything. Right, yeah. I didn't even feel anything.
I was just like, I definitely haven't. I ain't felt nothing. Where are we respawning? Mate, I can't see fuck all now. Don't leave me. It's fair enough. Alright. Hit! Oh, fuck. Wait, where's respawn? There isn't. Oh, sick. That sounds good then, mate. Sounds good, whacker.
Apparently.
That's what I'm looking for this lot, because I'm waiting for someone to fucking run across here. It definitely wasn't me, because I got fucking ploughed from behind.
One of some other day.
Nobody knows it.